Alright, so let's say you're about to upload a video, right? Well, you forgot to add a thumbnail. Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna sit here and make a quick and easy thumbnail in under 5 minutes. And this is gonna be a quick tutorial. I don't really have a timer I could work with, but I'm sure we could figure something out. Anyways, so what you quickly want to do is you want to open your photo editing app of any choice. I'm gonna use PixArt. See? See the screen over here? I'm using PixArt, but you can really use any other image editor you want. So tap on the plus button and wait a few minutes as usual. Then scroll down a few times to see trending background. I'm sure there's a screen recording of it somewhere, right? So yeah, let's do this. I'm trying to be as quick as I can, but my phone is kind of slow. But hey, it's cool. We could get around it, you know. So go to crop, go to 16:9. As I'm showing with the screen recording, you guys see, right? I mean, like, bro, it just makes sense. All right, now enough talking. Let's go to shape. We're gonna make a gradient shape. So go to color first, and then go to gradient. So whatever your main color is gonna be, you always pretty much wanna have that to the left. For example, let's choose this type of blue, and then for the gradient, let's choose a darker blue. See? Then scale it like this. Hit the check mark. Now what we're going to need to do is add some stickers. Because in Pixar, images in the app that are built in pretty much are called stickers, as I'm sure you guys will know of. So tap on the sticker button, right? And then what you want to do is you want to look for a character you're going to use. Now, for example, we're going to use a man, right? So we're going to go to, actually, we're going to, yeah. So type that in the search bar, or use any image. And you know what, to be a little more specific, we're going to go for happy man. See? We're going to use one of these images over here. Now, if this was for a serious type of YouTube video, then of course you would do the same thing. But find a face that's pretty much showing the emotions you're trying to give to your viewers. And once you find that image, like for example, we're going to choose this one. Gonna press the download button, and let's put it to the right. Don't worry about that. That always shows up. And already this is looking pretty good, but we need to add some text. Otherwise, the viewers are not gonna know what the video is about. So just for example, we're gonna go for a text that says thumbnails, right? Yeah. So we're gonna type in thumbnail. And then we're gonna look for a yellow color that will fit with the background. And already this is looking pretty dope. Let's do some more adjustments. Alright. Now we're gonna add some more text. Put it in red to show it's a tutorial video. Or just keep it yellow or whatever. But for example, we're going to choose red. So let's type in tutorial. Also, guys, if you heard that door, that was my pet cat, Sophia. See, it's a pretty cool cat. I love cats. Alright, so that's basically a basic thumbnail in under like 5 minutes or how long I said it would be for. You could easily take this technique and apply it to your own thumbnails also. Like, let's say if you have a gaming video, it could be applied the same way, or you just want to add a little more objects or stuff to sell what the video is about. What it mainly is about pretty much. But yeah, that's how you make a basic thumbnail in under 5 minutes or how long I said it would be. If you want to see more tutorials, be sure to let me know in the description of this video. And I'll see you guys next time. See, look, see? Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace out, and give this video a like.